birthday! Happy birthday!
Ayan, so magsi-zipline kami.
Oh!
You're gonna die! Do you have scissors? So we can cut the rope. The most expensive coffee in the world. Ayan na, birthday dinner with Mommy Rose. Malis ka na dyan, ay!
We're going to the land of... Punta tayong Bali, guys!
Magbabalay kayo?
Magbabalay sa Bali.
Magbabalay ng buto.
Pa-check muna natin kung original yung long champ mo.
It's original kasi it's from mother.
Kasi baka mamaya harangin kayo doon. Ayan o, may long champ dyan. Ano yun? Ipapacheck natin. So, we are back at the airport dahil pupunta kami sa Bali, Indonesia to celebrate Mommy Rose's birthday. Ayan siya. Ayan. So, sa Bali, Indonesia siya magba-birthday. Yun ang kanyang request. Dahil hindi pa siya nakakapunta ng Indonesia, di ba? And lahat kami, first time sa Bali. Except si Miss Erin, nag-Bali na siya before. Ayan, so pupunta na kami sa boarding gate or maghahanap ng kakainan and see you in Bali, Indonesia. Tulog na sila.
Parang sa...
Eh paano? Alas 3 na. It's 3 a.m. Ayan, so pupunta na sa villa. Okay, we go to the room. So 1, 2, and 3. Oh, the other room is there.
Bungalow.
Okay, gusto nyo doon kayo sa bungalow?
Patingin mo muna. Ito yung isa. Ito yung isa.
Gusto niyo ba kayong dalawa dito na kayo?
Oo.
Teka, sisilipin muna
Kasi
natin.
peaceful. Gusto namin yung tahimik. Diba? Ang gusto natin yung tahimik. Ba't hindi mo dinala yung video? Okay.
Sabi niya, wag dala. Ang ganda. So you have the entire villa.
Yeah,
Just for us.
I want a skinny dipping tonight.
Living room showcase.
Dito tayo katambay mo.
Diba?
First time mong nag-book ng
And
hotel na villa.
hindi ka maniniwala because we only paid 145,000 pesos. I only paid 145,000 pesos for the entire villa.
5 nights.
For 5 nights.
With breakfast.
With breakfast, diba? And I believe we made the right choice. Kasi yung isa kong pinagpipilian, kasi 4-star lang sila eh. And makikita mo yung sa reception, mga hindi naka-uniform.
Yeah.
Diba? Pero kasi may nagbigay sa akin ng tip, ikaw yon, na dito sa Bali, ang ipupunta mo naman talaga is the villa experience.
Yes.
Diba?
Kasi most of the days, you will be out then.
Yes.
Unless you wanna stay in, relax.
Hello! Nandito tayo sa kanilang villa. Hello! Nasaan ka? Hi!
Kagod naman to eh.
How's your sleep here?
I slept really... I want to sleep longer.
Halika na, magba-breakfast na.
Can't wait.
Yan, so magba-breakfast na tayo. Okay naman yung villas, maganda naman yung mga rooms. As you can hear, it's very, very peaceful. Asan mo kami idadali?
Now we're going to the next villa. Ito yung fourth villa, guys. Nandito yung rice terraces. Nagtanim ako kanina.
This is the restaurant. This is where we'll have breakfast.
This is the rice field.
Hoy, tinitignan ka yung parang
Lahat sila
foreign
tingnan ako.
object ka. So, ang breakfast, kasi this resort or wellness center, parang konti lang yung mga guests. Diba? So, you order, may pagpipilian ka, and then meron din silang fruits and bread buffet.
Ano ba yung
You
prutas na
feel it
yan?
against
Ano yung prutas na yan?
Anong tawag dito? Snake
fruit.
Snake fruit.
In the local, they call it salak.
Salak. Di ikaw yon salak. Kasi ahas ka.
Ano bang lasa niyang prutas?
Sabi nila, it's like sweet and sour. So, swerte ka daw pag if it's sweet. Para siyang crunchy.
Parang lasang durian.
And the smell, meron siyang funny smell.
Rosette's breakfast stop.
Right, and authentic mee goreng.
Amigo Reng, favorite ni Erin niya.
Not from the Tetra Pak.
Hindi from the Tetra Pak yan.
Yeah, it's, freshly made.
Authentic talaga.
Yeah, minasa pa nila yan. Isa-isa.
O, di ba poached egg pa yung nasa iba?
Diba? With fried garlic.
Bongga. Ayan, so we're going to enjoy our breakfast. Nasi goreng. So, to eat it, ayan, hahaluin mo. Poached egg, sambal, good. Kasi bagong luto.
Yeah, fresh.
Yun ang maganda pag bagong luto, fresh.
So we're gonna enjoy our breakfast.
I'm going to give you a very quick villa tour. So, itong kinuha namin is the 3-bedroom pool villa with garden view. So, ayan, pakita na natin. So, ito yung entrance. And ayan. You get a pool. Parang kasing laki ng pool natin sa bahay sa Binyan. Ayan, may sitting area. They're very generous with the towels. Dito, ayan yung pool. O, diba? Mag-chill ka dyan. Ay, Day, nakalak. Meron ditong common area. This is the family room, living room na merong kitchen. And overlooking yung pool. And then behind it, may parang garden. So, sabi, dito sa kitchen na to, ayan, pwede ka din dyan sa dining area na yan mag-request ng breakfast. And if you're planning to stay longer, you can actually cook. May microwave oven. And ito may pa-fruits. And because water in Bali, sabi nila ay hindi, tap water is not drinkable, may water dispenser. Meron din yung mga plates na kasama dito. May mga kaserola. There's a fridge. And even an oven. And what I like about this villa, this resort, may imagination sila. Tingnan nyo, meron pang may init na ng tubig and may condiments na. Ang kulang na lang is Nespresso machine kasi syempre ako ay big coffee drinker. Pero dun sa restaurant, nag-breakfast tayo kanina. Masarap naman ang coffee. Ayan, so this is the view. Look. And then, tatlo yung bed. Ipakita mo yung bedroom natin. Ours is called the kids room. May lagayan ng shoes, which is very hygienic. And it comes with 2 beds. Nilinis na ang bilis ng housekeeping.
Kasi sila, parang 10 AM yata. May time sila.
Linis na agad. Ito, may private garden kami dito. May day bed. And the bathroom is also very relaxing. May shower. May bathtub. Open yan. May mini garden ka. Kaya, nako, siguro naman kung maghuhubad ka dito, wala namang sasampa dun sa pader sa taas. Kasi ayan open yung taas. But basically, or generally, it feels safe in here. Tapos, silipin natin yung master's bedroom. Nandun si nanay. Ayan, this is the master's bedroom. King-sized bed. Tapos, para meron pang taas dun no? Parang pwede ka maglaro-laro doon. Look at the architecture. And then, meron siyang view dito. Pag nagpunta ka dito, kila Eri na to, doon na to, papunta sa bungalow nila. Yung binisita natin kaninang umaga. Diba? Look at the plants. Diba? Relaxing naman. Parang just by, mo yun? Parang nandun sa garden mo. Diba? Parang nandun ka lang sa garden mo. Nag-a-agree ka ba? Ha, mother? Mother?
Mas maganda ang camping ko.
Siyempre, marami kang African talisay. Mas colorful.
Well-maintained yun. Yung plants kasi dito parang wild.
Oo, wild ang mga halaman dito. Sa atin kasi, ang mga halaman natin, hindi wild, but you're wild, diba? Do you agree? Do you agree? Ha?
Hindi, ang wild is yung isa natin kasama.
You're wild. Pero diba maganda? Maganda din. Magandang experience naman dito sa Bali kasi ikaw ang may gustong pumunta dito, diba? So, it's nice to experience it. Maligo na. Mag-ready na, and then we'll go to the local market sa town. Doon tayo mag-iikot-ikot. We're going to Ubud Center, and bumaba na kami ng Grab. Lalakarin na lang namin because as you can see, the traffic is so heavy. Napaka-traffic pala dito sa Bali. Kasi maliliit lang yung kanilang kalsada. And syempre congested with tourists. Pero yan, marami ka naman makikita as you walk. Ayan, mga tinda-tindahan. This is the Ubud Palace. Queens, hindi queen.
Okay. The queens of the palace.
Because there are two queens. Oh, we can enter. There's no entrance fee.
Oo, kasi if the queen is with you.
Lunch at Pujan Local Restaurant. Dito to sa Ubud Town. Ayan, pasara na sila. The restaurant closes at 3 p.m. Pero pinapasok pa kami kaya walang tao. But normally, punong-puno dito. This is modern Indonesian food. Wow!
Coconut.
Oh, looks good. Masarap yan sa'yo.
So refreshing.
Talaga?
It's like I'm on a holiday.
Ay, your life is a holiday. Pwede na nga palitan ng pangalan mo, si Holly. Diba? Diba? Si Holly. Si Vacay. Diba? Si Vay. Diba? Si Holly. And Vay. Holiday. Vacation. Vacay. Si Vacay.
Si Vicky.
Si Vicky. Si Vicky. Si Vicky. Tsaka si Holly. Diba?
Living your life here in Bali.
Diba? Your life is a holiday and a vacation.
And nagyaya na siya. Sabi niya mag-bar daw kami.
Mag-bar. Isang gabi. Eh, araw pa lang nga. O, naglalasing na. Diba?
Hindi na pala aabot sa gawin.
Pati ke, pwede tignan mo itong drink.
You will love it. It's like,
Ang sarap.
Masarap.
Ay, ano to?
Ito? Makwa?
ano, one sheet of pulping. Dried coconut.
Finally, magpapa-manicure, pedicure na din sila dito sa Bali.
Meron na silang bag.
Dito pa dumayo.
Kasi may nag-comment dun sa Soler afternoon tea na parang luya daw yung mga kamay, yung mga paa. Her favorite kambing. Wow. Masarap. This is Balinese grilled pork. Sasawsaw mo dito.
Pesto.
Ang lambot. Diba? Walang taba yung baboy pero ang lambot.
Parang iba yung lasa ng baboy nila.
Clean tasting. No?
Yeah.
Tumira ka kaya dito.
Baka demure.
Baka lumilis ka. Banana cake and this one is smoked banana. Passion fruit tart. Creme brulee. Banana cake. Yung mga pagkain kasi masarap pero walang wow factor para sa akin. Pero yung desserts, ito masarap daw.
Wow. Ang sarap na.
Okay ka lang.
Tapos caramelize yung taas.
Very light, no?
Wow. Ano na yung this? Uy, masarap yung dessert.
Masarap din naman to, pero ito,
Okay lang.
so-so lang. Ito yung almond.
Special lang.
Wow.
Yung pagkain. Yung dessert pa.
Masarap to.
Din reveal na.
3.4
3.4 million.
3.4 million.
Wow!
It's so expensive
Makakabili ka
here.
na ng house and
House
lot.
and lot in the Philippines, 3.4. Here, only lunch. That's a lot. In Philippine peso.
Mga $200.
Okay.
$220. Eh sa dami na in-order natin with drinks and with the ambience.
And the dessert.
Yes, the desserts. Pwede na. Ayan, so after nito maglalakad-lakad tayo. Naglalakad kami, bumaba kaming tatlo ng Grab, me, Dayan, and Rosette kasi sobrang traffic. And para malibang kami. Oh, what? Ayan, so after a long day, magpapamassage tayo. So you can call, nag-request kami sa reception ng home service or villa service massage. Nag-set up sila dito. Ayan o. Hi! Nagpamassage ka? Masarap yung massage sa'yo. Ha? So nagutom ka? Pero hindi ka na pwede lumabas kasi naka-robe ka lang eh, no?
Ito nga't nagpag-labak mo.
Eh, ito, nag-room service tayo. Room service. Mee goreng, fries, shrimp pasta, tom yum. Oy, bongga yung... Tignan mo, bongga yung... Ano ha, oh.
Yung sushi.
Ito yung juice, ano ba to? Lassi. Calamari. Oy, in fairness, mainit pa din yung calamari. And then they even have sushi here. O, kasi mga nakapangtulog Jackson na. Nakapangtulog na, kaya hindi nalalabas dito na lang sa villa. So we're going to enjoy our dinner. For the birthday of Nanay Rose, nasan ka na? Nasaan ang celebrant? Halika dito. Hello! Eh, ganyan talaga lahat naman tayo. Oh, nakapantulog
Lahat
lahat.
tayo nakapantulog.
Si Miss Erin nga, oh.
Nakapantulog ako.
So ngayon, dito kami nagpa-set up ng breakfast sa villa for Nanay Rose's birthday. Ayan, and may mga pa-flowers. Thank you, Larry, for the pa-flowers. For the arrangement. You like it? You like it? For your birthday? Ah, alika, tumayo ka niya. Ibibidyo kita para sa birthday mo. Ipo-post na lang eh.
Next year, pag
Happy birthday, Dayan! Celebrating her birthday in Bali. Now is May 2025. And this is...
na lang yung clip.
I-reuse yung...
Birthday!
Happy birthday, our dear! More blessings to you and your loved ones. We wish you beauty. Beauty and more beauty.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much.
Bye guys.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Bless you.
You too. Bye. Tapos Dayan, ikaw din ha, doon para pag ni-recycle. Limot na ng netizen yan.
Happy birthday
Blow.
to you.
Yay! Alam mo, mag-rare ka. Dali, ayok ka. Ano yan? Paano yan? Isa pa. Enjoy!
Lea Salonga?
Yeah.
Lea Salonga?
Yeah.
Oh, the singer. This is the superstar. Oh, di ba? Ka-level mo pala si Lea.
Actually, nandito yung mga toiletries ni Lea Salonga. Bilisan mo na, hinihintay ka na ni Lea Salonga.
Yeah, we have a lunch with Miss Leia.
Yung lunch, i-re-retouch mo siya.
Si
Like a
Lea.
makeup artist.
Hindi natin ka-level si Lea Salonga. Kasi Lea's like there, and we're like here.
And she is like...
Ikaw naman nandun pa, maghuhukay pa ng konti.
Parang...
Mas malalim pa.
Sampulan mo siya ng Lea's ano ba?
Sample mo na.
Sampulan mo, dali. Baka hindi siya maniwala.
When will my reflection show who I am inside?
Baka hindi na siya maniwala.
Ano?
Kalahating milyon daw.
Oy, di yung relo mo, iiwan. Para makapag-swing ka.
Ganun ba yun?
Yeah.
Grabe.
Eh, may swing ka naman sa bahay,
Can we
ano.
just leave her here to
For the
work?
payment.
For the payment. She will pay for collateral. Yeah. For all. So
She will pay for...
she will work here to pay. Is that okay?
To become a model.
Around 3 months, I think.
For
3 months.
For 3 months.
May commitment.
Okay, okay.
But if you want to take a picture with our camera, there is extra charge. 200,000 rupiah for
Himatay na yata ako.
So she will stay for 1 year.
Pero itong kalahating milyon na, tapos
Okay, and how do we get the photos from your staff?
And with your mobile phone,
They will send it to us.
no, with our camera, I will transfer
camera
to
na
your
lang
mobile
natin.
phone
Okay.
from our camera. But if you take a picture with your mobile phone, that's free. Just give
Okay.
your phone with our staff.
Okay, thank you. She needs help.
She needs help with her life.
She needs help with her life. She's so beautiful. Pakita mo yung likod. Ayan, dali.
Eto.
Do you have body scrub services? Body scrub.
Rack. Do you have racks?
Rocks.
Racks?
Because
So many rounds.
her back needs
This,
pillow.
pakita mo. This needs help.
Wow. Wait. Like this needs help. We both need help. Before you throw stones.
These two people, they need serious help. Do we have scrub? How about chane?
And waxing service.
Anong English ng chane?
Tweezers.
Tweezers. Baka may mag-sponsor sa, di ba siya, pinakinggan siya ng Safeguard. Siya baka pakinggan siya ng Gillette.
Hortaleza.
Hortaleza. Hortaleza. Pakita natin yung ihohor.
Bukod sa Gillette at Hortaleza, may mag-sponsor na Comadron. St. Luke's, baka naman. Hindi.
Oh, B muna. Baka
Hindi
may...
kasi kahapon, nagsusukat siya ng damit sa market, sa Ubud. Tapos may nagtanong na vendor, sabi, "Ma'am, how many months pregnant?"
How many months pregnant?
Sabi ko, 4. She's 4 months pregnant and I'm the father.
초록빛 여름 투명한 물결
Christmas!
Cause I am with you. You are my sunlight. You are my moonlight. Every way. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, oh. You are my sunlight. You are my moonlight.
You're gonna die! Huwag kang bibitaw!
Ayoko na. Oh my God! Stop it! Stop!
Kaya mo yan! Marami ka ng kinaya sa buhay!
Oh my God!
Push more.
Mag-let go ka na! Do you have scissors? So we can cut the rope? Erin? Batang Erin? Erin?
Pag kanina naglugay ako.
Batang Erin?
At yung batang ex.
Si Erin, nung tumanda siya, lalo siyang gumanda eh. Silang dalawa, paganda sila ng paganda. Ayan, so we're almost done dito sa Bali Swing. Overall, maganda siyang experience. Nung una, parang sabi ko nga, parang tourist trap. Kasi 'di ba medyo may kamahalan ng bayad ha. Just to enter, you pay 500,000. So magkano ba yung 500,000? So that's around $35 US dollars. Pero ikaw ba, nataypan mo yung experience?
The experience overall is fun. Ayan.
The experience is fun and surprisingly, parang pagka nandito ka na, masasabi mong nakuha mo talaga yung worth ng binayad mo kasi bawat isa sa atin, di ba, may nagpipicture.
Kahit maghiwa-hiwalay kayo.
Kahit maghiwa-hiwalay
Kahit
kayo.
actually,
Yes. And it's safe.
may harness.
Oo. Ano yung harness?
Yung safety gear.
Ang galing!
Oh, she felt safe kahit ayaw
Diba?
na.
She felt safe.
Saka gumaganda kami.
Sana lang may paano ng bra, tsaka yung may libre ahit, no? Yung bago sumakay, may mag-aahit sa'yo. But overall, maganda. Pumunta ka dito, pag pumunta ka sa Bali, kasi ano siya, di ba? It's a nice, it's a beautiful experience.
And if habol mo talaga mga picturesque
Yeah.
kinamerot
And-
for Instagram.
Di ba? Magandang pang Instagram. And aside from that, relaxing din yung scenery.
Parang prenup. Parang
Kasing di ba, parang hindi ka nagpunta ng Bali if you don't have
The Bali Swing.
Yeah. Nahilo ka?
hindi, at least siya naranasan niya. Kasi hindi niya mararanasan yung prenup. Parang dito, at nagkaroon siya ng experience.
Nagkaroon ng experience
Mag-prenup.
Prenup.
Oh, halika na, let's go. Nasa coffee plantation naman tayo. Oh, the Luwak coffee. So where is the Luwak?
Luwak is here that you can see. We have in the cage.
Oh, so the Luwak, you keep them in the cage.
Yes.
But is it really wild or really you harvest it from the cage?
Yes, definitely we are harvesting like when the berry is ripe. I mean like every single pup of the luwak we are found in the nature.
Oh. Oh, they're shy.
No, they're sleeping because they are nocturnal animal.
Oh, okay, okay. And then over
And
here.
over here you will see like how is like look the poop, the tahi.
Oh.
Yeah, the animal normally in the jungle, like in the plantation, they will eat or choose like the best part of the coffee fruits from the tree directly, and
Okay.
they eat only the beans. Yeah.
So beans are roasted manually.
Yeah, it's manually, but we already did by machine as well. Now this one is from the poop,
From the poop.
from the poop of the animal. Yeah. Mabango.
Yeah. Ayan, masarap din naman yung coffee nila. Pero kasi ako, personally,
Yeah, and that like for the grinding.
ano ko
that's
talaga
the-
ng Vietnamese coffee ako talaga. In Vietnam, they have the Weasel coffee.
I think it's quite close, similar.
Yeah. That's the Luwak coffee.
Yes, the luwak. And then this is
Iba't ibang klase.
the sampler of coffee and tea.
So this is the Luwak. Malasa. Ito, itong coconut na curious ako. Masarap yung coconut coffee. So, libre to. You can come here.
The sampler.
The sampler. Pero syempre, they would really appreciate kung bibili ka. Diba? Masarap siya. Don't get me wrong. Ito yung luwak coffee nila. Pero kasi ako, I'm more on the dark roast. Kaya yun sa Vietnam yung mas type ko. Ako lang naman po yun. Pero it's also good to try this. Bumili nga ako sa coffee shop, di ba? Yung kanina. Yung bumili ko ng para gamitin sa bahay. So, i-experience yun. Ito, may mga tea. Nay, o lemongrass tea, ginger tea. Try. Try nyo. Ayan. So, titikim-tikim tayo dito. And then next, we'll go to the rice terraces. Ayan, so magsi-zipline kami. Magkano bayad ng zipline? 300. It's my turn. Bye. Mas nakakatakot ang swing. Pero alam mo kung ano may mas nakakatakot dyan. Yung kapalaran yung dalawa. Yung hindi ka na mahal pero mahal mo pa. Dapat lang kabahan ka sa kapalaran mo. 2, 3. Please take care of her. She's famous in TikTok. If something happens to her, a lot of fans will miss her. Yeah, and also, if something happens to her, she might become famous. Ang ganda ng mga hoy. Magpa-scrub ka yung hita mo.
Yung paano? Tamo na to. Wait lang. My panty is showing.
Your panty is showing.
Okay? Okay.
Tingin dito, flying kiss sa fans. What was the experience?
I'm never gonna do it again.
Shut up.
Oh my god. Ayan, harap na dito, ha? Leg. Face here.
Wow!
Ayan, so for dinner, Lumbong Restaurant. Sa anong pangalan nitong hotel na to? Vicesa Ubud Villas. For Mommy Rose's birthday dinner. Pero kasi this is jungle view. We are surrounded by the jungle. So we're going to see the balcony because there's a balcony.
Yeah, just to see.
Diba? The balcony. Since there's a balcony, we'll see the balcony. Because there's a balcony and the balcony has a falls. Which part of Indonesia?
From Sabah, especially
From Sabah.
in the Gianyar Regency, the part of the
Oh,
Gianyar
may I
Regency.
see what's in the back? Oh, nice. So, Indonesian wine. Cheers. Cheers to the birthday girl. Ilan taon ka na you want to reveal to the netizens? How old are you? 26. Ayan na. Birthday dinner with Mommy Rose. Happy birthday! What will you say to your followers?
Thank you.
Thank you. Ba't isa pa mukhang pagoda ka daw. Sinipon. For what? For following? How about your daughter? Are you proud of your daughter? Your daughter? Who's now a vlogger? Look. So we're going to enjoy our dinner. Sabihin mo na we're going to enjoy our dinner.
We're going to enjoy our dinner.
Yes, sinisipon siya. Kaya naka-orange juice. Pansit for the birthday celebrant. Desserts.
Lahat na kinakasalong.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Oh, nice.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Makisali ka na din.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Wow, happy birthday. So today, we're just staying at the villa. Magre-relax lang kami dito. And this morning, after breakfast, we booked etong offering making class. It's called the offering making class. Ito. So this is the yoga studio. Ayan, so nandito tayo sa yoga studio. The class will happen here. What's your name?
My name is Ayu.
Ayu.
Yes.
Okay, and Ayu will be our instructor for today.
For sure.
So ito daw gagawin natin na offering. Ito yung nilalagay sa labas ng bahay, sa labas ng kwarto, or sa mga altars bilang thanksgiving sa kanilang mga ancestors. So kapag ginawa mo to, this will bring you good luck and guidance from your ancestors. So halika, gawin natin!
Naging bouquet.
Ginagawa mong bouquet! Uubusin mo na! May order. Hindi. Malilito yung o-offeran mo. Susundin mo yung kanya.
Pareho lang kami
Show.
Eto bongga. So basta dito ka nag-check-in, everyday pala may libreng afternoon tea. And you can have it served either sa restaurant or dito sa villa. So since today, nakatambak lang kami dito sa aming villa, dito namin siya pinaserve. And ayan, papasosyal muna ako dito and enjoy this afternoon tea. Bongga. So ito parang maruya, pancake, and there's spring roll, chili sauce, and local tea. And this beautiful view.
Hindi ako natayaw. Nasa restaurant tayo eh. Ba't ako sasayaw? Wala doon ako sa baba.
Sa likod mo, oh. Sayang!
Ayoko na, wala akong video ha.
Hindi ka habi. So, magkano ba pa pwede ko?
Wala. Pangit po.
Patay.
Namatay kasi nga nagpa-badminton ako. So we're going?
So we're going now. Sabihin mo na.
So we're going home now.
We did not enjoy our...
We did not enjoy the service.
Tapos sinampo ka ba dito? Sinampo.
Ito kasi pangit mamili. Hindi kita talaga pinagkakatiwalaan.
pala mapupunta ngayon? Her baggage. Do you have scrub for her back? Back is very... Yes, we need miracle. We are here at the
Should I? Ito o lotus, ang ganda.
At saan yung, yung aso patingin? Ayan.
Ikaw.
Hindi, ikaw. Kung totoo mahal mo si Siri, yan ang ipalagay mo.
Pardible.
Bilisan mo. Inaantay.
Tattoo is not something you just do. You think about it.
Sabi mo, i-comment nila.
Guys, what should I get here in Bali?
Pag nagsawa ka na sa Indonesian foods, maraming iba't ibang cuisines dito. Mga restaurants serving different cuisines here at Ubud Town proper. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Sid's Thai Restaurant. Mukhang masarap naman. Ano, nag-e-enjoy ka ba sa soup mo? Sa tom yum mo? Maanghang lang, naanghangan ka. Creamy tom yum. Sarap ng creamy tom yum. Lasang authentic. Fresh oysters and salmon. Fresh salmon na may Thai sauce. Fresh oysters in Thai sauce also. Masarap. Para magandang kakain ka talaga dito kasi eventually magsasawa ka sa Indonesian food, di ba? Ako kasi personally, mas gusto ko talaga Thai food kaysa sa Korean. Korean tuloy. Indonesian, ang anghang lang. Ayun na, pagpapawisan ka. Pad Thai. Looks delicious. Masarap dito.
So lahat nung kinain,
masarap lahat.
Nasarapan kayo.
So pag nagsasawa ka na sa Indonesian food, dito ka.
So even yung dessert.
Ganda ng kaong nila dito. Ito kaong.
Kala ko ba yung kayo mo?
Kaong pala yan.
But it's different.
Ayan,
diba?
pwedeng yung kaong na lang kainin nyo.
We'll enjoy our dessert.
Gusto ko ka na parang saan.
Ito may grocery dito sa gitna ng Ubud. Sa Ubud Center mismo. So if you are staying in a villa, it's a good idea to go here. Kasi katulad ng villa na where we're staying at, may microwave, may oven, may chopping boards. So you just get all the perishable ingredients that you need. So if you do not wish to leave your villa, you can get ingredients from this grocery store. They even have French butter, Allenvere. Pero napansin ko medyo mahal ang mga tinda. What I'm going to get, fruits. Kasi sa breakfast, ang fruits nila, papaya, watermelon. Gusto ko ng dragon fruit. And maybe I'll get some salted butter. Kasi sa buffet, ang butter is unsalted. Sana pala, nagbaon na lang ako ng Queensland. Teka, ito, demi-salt. Manap na tayo ng ito, salted na Allenvere. Puro unsalted ang katindahan. Ito, grass-fed. O, President na lang. Tayo ng President butter. Ayan, they have mga juices. They have mga spices for Indonesian cooking. Then I saw this also, coconut syrup. Bibili ko kasi mahilig ako sa coconut talaga. Whether sa mga desserts or ulam na may gata. So I'm getting one to try. O, dalawa na. Diba? Kasi baka mataypan, tapos mabibitin ka. Pagbalik ng binyan, tsaka mo lang sasabihin na, uy, bakit isa lang ang nabili ko? The most expensive coffee in the world. Eto, naamoy namin dun sa isang Grab na sinakyan namin. Yung coffee air freshener. Alam mo yung para kang, di ba yung amoy ng coffee shop, lalo sa Starbucks pagpasok mo, yung ang lakas makarelax. Alam mo yun, yung parang you feel so rejuvenated. Ewan ko ako lang. Kasi dalawang places ako nare-relax. Sa amoy ng spa, especially in Thailand, and sa amoy ng coffee shops, especially pag pumasok ako sa Starbucks. Yung amoy freshly roasted, freshly brewed na kape. Parang amoy umaga. Very rejuvenating, very refreshing. So, yun yung amoy nitong air freshener na to sa Grab namin na amoy. So I'm buying. Bibili lang ako ng 2-3 kasi minsan po kapag ka napagsawaan ko na, nako, stop na. Coconut chocolate. So when you're buying chocolate, especially kapag hindi European origin, you want to look for the ingredients. It has to be cocoa mass cocoa butter. It means that it's real chocolate. No vegetable fat. So, bibili ko nito. Malaki ang chocolate industry here in Indonesia. If you are familiar with brands such as Colata, yang Zealandia, lahat po yan ang factory ay nandito sa Indonesia. Magagaling silang mag-craft ng chocolate. So, mukhang masarap tong chocolate na to and hindi siya mura ha. Magkano ba? Isa 80 grams. So for an 80 gram piece, parang mga $5. $5 or $4. Pero tikman natin kasi it's proudly made in Indonesia using couverture chocolate. Dito tayo sa Glass Bridge. Mga 20 minutes from 20-minute drive from the villa. May bayad 250,000. So tong Glass Bridge na to, tourist attraction talaga siya, di ba? Hindi siya yung natural bridge that connects a place to another. Ayan lang pala yung slide. Oh. If you want to experience the slide,
50,000.
you pay an additional 50,000. Ito na, Glass Bridge.
Nani?
Wow! Nababasag daw yung glass. Saan ka mas natatakot? Pag tumingin ka sa ilalim o pag tumingin ka sa salamin?
Sa ilalim.
Ha?
Pag sa salamin, gandang-ganda.
Eh, yung kinabukasan yung dalawa.
Nakakatakot.
Nakakatakot, no?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Nakakapagod.
Again?
No more.
Yes.
It's okay.
Halika na, saan na tayo?
Monkey Forest. Kamanganganak.
Papalakihin ang mga monkeys.
Di ba? Papalakihin ang mga monkeys. Yung anak mo.
Tarzan.
Di ba?
Kasi ayoko mag-alaga.
Oo, tamad ka kasi. Di ba?
Papalaga ko.
Kaya nga siya dinivorce ng pangalawa niyang asawa.
Hindi magaling mag-alaga.
Hindi magaling mag-alaga. Ang pinapainom daw sa baby ay yung evaporated milk, yung nakalata.
Magbubukas na lang.
Magbubukas ng lata.
Baka minsan condensed pa binibig.
Oo. Hindi, nagpo-produce siya pero yung panis. Alam yun, yung maasim na yung gatas na. So, we're going next to the monkey forest. Dapat kasi today, mag-AATV kami. Kaso lang, may... Ano nga pangalan ulit ng celebration ngayon?
Kumangan holiday.
Parang Kuningan festival. Correct me if I'm wrong. So it's very important na when you're visiting a foreign country, i-check nyo yung dates ng mga festivals and celebrations. Kasi just like yesterday and today, sarado ang marami sa mga attractions, maraming mga even restaurants, sarado. Pero kasi, in our case, wala naman kaming choice kasi this is Nanay Rose's birthday week. And, ano din naman, maganda din naman kasi nag-relax lang tayo kahapon sa hotel, nagpaspa kami, pamper time. Diba? Pero mag-research din kayo. Kasi just to give you an example, katulad ngayong end of October, we are supposed to go back to Japan. Kaso lang, we had to cancel it. Kasi Halloween. And ang Halloween pala sa Japan is a very, very big thing. As in talagang holiday. And a lot of people travel to Japan just to experience it. So, wear costumes. Ikaw, di ba, mahilig ka sa ganun?
That's my favorite holiday.
So, kung hindi ka mahilig sa mga parties, sa mga crowded, stay away. Kaya kami, stay away from Japan kami.
Terima kasih.
Ayan, so goresh ka na tayo sa Monkey Forest.
For the reunion.
Mga 15 to 20 minutes from here. 100,000 per person. So, pwede nang pumasok. Oh, goresh ka, Ancheta. Parang dito daw kailangan medyo careful ka kasi yung mga unggoy nagnanakaw,
kaya matatanggal ako ng
nag-aagaw. Ayan, sa entrance, sinasabihan na itago yung mga kolorete sa bagelya kasi baka agawin ng monkey. Eh, di ba ikaw, sanay ka namang inagawan?
Maraming beses na ako agaw.
Kaibigan mo pa yun ang agaw sa'yo.
Exactly. Let's name drop. Si
LJ.
Erin, agawin mo yung orange. Erin, agawin mo.
Hindi ginagalit ang mga bata.
Dali, titignan natin. Kunin mo yung baby, dali.
Ay, ang luwebing bag ko, ninangat niya.
Gusto nakawin.
Ay, tignan mo, may inaamoy siya.
Uy, ayan. Oh my gosh. Oo, Ay! Ay! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Alis ka na dyan, ay. Alis ka na.
Uy!
Uy, nakakatakot.
Parang hindi naman natatakot si Tita eh.
Hi!
Jay, pabi ko na Miss Erin. Ikaw na, tumabit ka.
Hello.
May tattoo siya.
Mag-hi ka, hi. Tabi ka.
Uy, tinitingnan yung gamit ko.
Huwag mong titignan sa mata. Ate, magbukas na kayo. Ito po, paltan nyo po yung signage to open.
Open na.
Ito, closed po eh. Etong sa harap po.
Ano po? Ba't po kayo natatakot?
Ba't ka po natatakot?
Nandiyan ba yun? Oh, where are we now?
Anong pangalan nitong lugar na to?
Pelyatan.
Ha?
Pelyatan Night Market.
Pelyatan Night Market. So dito meron yung lechon. Oh, ayan. So yung lechon nila dito. Eto daw, this is lechon meat. They cooked it parang with spices. And then the skin. So kalasa siya nung lechon natin. Yun lang laman, parang niluto with local spices. Well, syempre kung tatanungin mo ko, doon pa din ako sa lechon natin.
Kasi walang pebre yung kanila.
Walang pebre, tsaka medyo yung laman is hindi kasing lambot nung lechon natin. Ito parang may itlugan ng manok, may pachicharon. I mean, masarap naman siya, pero ako personally, pag lechon, yung roasted pig, yun talaga ako sa lechon natin. Pero subukan mo pa din. Kasi malay mo, di ba? Try mo. Diyos ko, Day, 30 minutes kami pumila dyan sa kalsada.
Kasi nakarating lang ni Erin, so hindi niya naranasan.
Yes.
Perfect in the ring ko, uupo na lang.
Actually, lahat ng restaurants na gusto niyang kainan, nire-recommend niya whenever we travel. Palaging mahaba ang pila. Oo, mahirap hanapin. Pero so far naman, masasarap lahat yun. Yung ramen sa Sapporo, yung ramen sa Fukuoka. So far, so good.
Baka nire-research na talaga.
Yes. And aside from the food being delicious, the price is also very affordable. So dito, hopefully worth it ang pagpila natin. Nakaupo na kami after 30 minutes of meeting Pila Balderrama. Ano, masarap ba yung order mo? Kayo, happy ba kayo?
Super.
Gusto namin magpasalamat din.
You have to say thank you. Thank you. O, kantahan nyo ng thank you.
Mother knows best. Thank you. Thank you. Ang babait ninyo. Thank you.
Mommy, you're so sarcastic. Pero masarap naman talaga. Eat your curry. Mura lang bill. Parang sa siguro mga $90. Ito pa isang pinipilahan na dessert shop. Ano ba to? Coconut shop. Tukis. Ito meron silang parang kuchinta.
Yeah.
Sarap, matamis lang. Ito, coconut ice cream.
On top of a brownie.
Sakto lang. Tapos yung fruit salad. Ito daw may granola. It's not something na pipilahan ko.
Ito
It's
pa.
okay, so subukan nyo. Hello! Magwa-water birth ka na ba doon? Ano bang advantages pag sa tubig manganganak?
Mas safe yung bata, tapos bata pa lang marunong ng lumangoy.
Ganon.
Kaya, kasi diba, professional diver and swimmer siya.
Ano yung iniinom mo? Yung para kumapit yung baby. Baby! Si baby! Nasaan yung tag? Ay! Diba? O, ang sayang experience. Just make sure mag-sunblock ka. Yan, dadaan ka sa rice fields. We are back from our ATV experience. And bago kami mag-lunch, magre-refresh muna kami. And since mainit, malagkit, maasim ang pinagdaanan namin doon, lumubog muna ako dito sa pool. Ma-experience man lang namin na makapag-swimming dito sa villa before we check out tomorrow. Also make sure, must try yung ATV experience dito sa Bali. Super ganda. Actually, sa lahat ng pinuntahan namin, yun ang pinaka-favorite experience ko. Kasi, parang you really experience nature and it's really an adventure. And akalain mo si nanay ha, na-carry pa niya yon kahit na senior na because it's so much fun. And magkano ang ATV experience? It's 1 million rupiah per person. And for 450,000 rupiah, for 6 people, meron na kaming photographer. So may nagpi-picture-picture sa amin. And sulit na sulit kasi makikita mo yung mga videos, nice videos and photos na gagamitin natin dito sa vlog ay kuha nila yon. So magsuswimming muna ako dito. I'm going to enjoy 5 minutes. Kasi in 30 minutes, magla-lunch na kami, bibili ng mga pasapasalubong, and bukas, maaga ang flight namin, lilipad na kami pabalik sa Manila. Lunch at an Italian restaurant dito lang sa town. It's called The Osteria. Palagi namin nadadaanan to and palaging puno paggabi. So, it's late lunch. It's 3:30 in the afternoon. Wala masyadong tao. Maiba naman. Focaccia. Ayan. Yan ka lang kung nagtitipid ka dito, di ba?
It's free. Yan ang pinakamasarap.
Yeah. Vegetable pizza. And calamari. Burrata.
Wow, it's the best pizza here.
Sarap ba?
Yeah. Finally, Italian.
Parang nasa Italy ka. Kasi nakapunta ka na ba sa Italy?
Many times.
Patingin nga ng passport mo. Favorite pesto. Looks so good. Healthy kasi si Mommy Rose. Ito yung kanya. Parang pinakain nila Bambi, kalabasa. Si Miss Erin waiting for her pepperoni.
Roast beef.
Ayan na yun.
Roast beef. El patata al forno.
Oh wow, that looks good. Yung roast beef lang parang medyo matigas. Yung order ni Miss Erin. Masarap naman.
Malasa.
Malasa, kaso lang medyo matigas. Baka pagod na yung baka. So wag kayo o-order. Ayan. Empake bell galores na kami. Nag-iimpake. Silipin natin sila. Miss Erin. Pumunta tayo sa kanilang room. Hello! Naka-impake na kayo. Bakit? Nagulat ka? Naka-impake na kayo. Nakakadiri naman dito. Yung pong kung gusto nyo pumunta sa Bali para mag-relax, for peace and serenity, kumain ng mga whole foods. Tignan nyo po.
Why? Because
This is the total opposite of the wellness. Wellness in Bali.
if naman kasi yan ang kasama mo sa kwarto.
Sino kaya? Ayan.
Tignan nyo po ang nangyayari dito. Look at this. And what is this?
Design niya.
What is this all about?
Ikaw lang. Kababuyan mo kasi.
My gosh, look what you did to this beautiful and serene villa. Then don't leave.
Should I stay longer?
You should stay longer. Ikaw na lang. Ako, I still have work to do. So, ayan. Ayan na siguro ang wakas ng ating medyo mahaba-habang trip to Bali. Nag-enjoy kaming lahat.
Super.
Yes, our favorite, yung ATV, Monkey Forest. Actually, lahat naman maganda. Siguro, ang mako-comment ko lang, di ba, yung at some point, the places get too crowded.
Too touristy.
Di ba? Too touristy, too traffic. Di ba? Very traffic. Yun yung hindi namin nagustuhan dito. So, ang feeling ko kasi, since this is our first time, it's Miss Erin's second time. Since this is our first time, siguro we got culture shocked with this kind of, di ba, overly touristy, if there's such a term. Pero kasi, ang maganda naman dito, yung mga tourists dito, kung napansin nyo, may delikadesa.
Actually.
Diba? Para lang masyadong maliit lang yung Ubud, kasi we stayed in Ubud, for that much tourists. But nonetheless, we still enjoyed. Feeling ko, sa pangalawang balik namin, kung babalik kami anytime soon, we know where to stay, we know what to do and what not to do. Ang i-advise ko sa inyo is, if you have the budget, get a villa. Kasi kami, we spent one full day na nandito lang kami sa villa and it's really relaxing. The food is good, you can get massage, and yung nature, you get closer to nature. And iwasan ninyo yung peak hours ng mga turista. Hindi kasi namin magawa yon. That's quite impossible for us because marami kami and late magising yung kami. Late kaming gumising. But I guess if you will leave as early as 6 in the morning or 7 in the morning, 'di ba? You get to appreciate the anong tawag doon? The attractions,
Peaceful.
the places ng konti yung tao. Or live in the city, in the town, Ubud town center. So you'll be within walking distance sa mga shops, sa mga restaurants. I guess may mga villas din naman kasi doon, di ba? Ang pagkakamali ko kasi, when I book this, although wala akong pagsisisi, kasi maganda tong villa natin, maganda service, the food is very delicious. Ang pagkakamali ko siguro is, I underestimated the traffic situation here in Bali.
Kasi kung isa ka lang or dalawa ka, kaya mo magmotor.
Yes.
But if you're a group, like a family.
Ano ba to? Kasi akala ko, this villa is only 6 kilometers from the town center. So I thought, di ba, parang ang bahay natin in Binyag is only 6 kilometers from SM. It takes us only 5 to 10 minutes. I didn't thought na magiging ganitong
aabotin pala ng
inaabot ng 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
Diba? Because of the traffic. Diba? But nonetheless, again, we enjoyed our Bali trip. So, if you're planning to go here, ayan, pina-flash namin yung presyo ng mga attractions na pinuntahan namin. Tama ba? Attractions ba tawag to?
Yeah, the activities.
The activities na pinuntahan namin. And how much, I'm sure people are curious with the amount you paid for the driver.
For the driver.
To rent for a day.
For a day, it's, magkano ba? It's $80.
$80 US dollars.
$80
$80
For 8 hours.
For 8 hours.
Yes. And sulit siya kasi yung driver, ano din siya, very
accommodating.
helpful. So parang ano din, nagvo-volunteer siya na siya yung magbo-book ng tour, tatanungin niya, where do you wanna go? And then pag sinabi mo, I want to do the ATV tour, sasabihin niya, okay, we will book. So siya na, parang tour guide driver.
Ipa-flash na lang natin yung contact details through WhatsApp ata yun, nung driver. Yes, so if you're planning to go here. Pero I'm sure ang daming mga tour providers dito kasi isang nagustuhan namin dito sa villa is sila na yung nag-arrange.
Ito ding receptionist dito sa villa, tsaka yung staff nila, very din sila.
Accommodating. Yes,
so parang wala pa tayong request na nag-no sila.
Yes.
Diba? Parang sa lahat ng request mo, no questions asked them. They try to deliver.
Oo. So, ayan. Isa pa palang medyo hindi ko type dito. Kasi ang aga ko kasi hindi pala ako maaga gumising. Late ako gumising. Very limited ang flights. So, Cebu Pacific, baka naman magdagdag kayo ng ibang, diba? Time slot. Diba? So, ayan. Thank you again for watching. Tatapusin ko na dito kasi baka bukas napakaaga namin gigising. So, wala na kaming energy para mag-closing tomorrow. So, we're going to see you all soon.